welcome back to my channel and hope you are watching 3-star property. In this video, we try to explain all the details about this hotel like location, landmark reviews, amenities of the hotel, and room category and facilities also. So let's see on the street property location, and landmark also. You can find lots of reviews and rating numbers online that are given by guests to enjoy their stay. Its review rating is 9.7, which is a superb. A set of FAQs is now displayed on your screen, which may address many of your basic questions about this property. To talk about the amenities of this property accepts major credit cards and reserve the right to temporarily hold an amount prior to arrival. The property is love to enjoy the surroundings. Visibility online, you can book them online and enjoy your stay. Several deals and offers are available online for this property.